So this is Michael. Michael, what are you doing? Put chips in a bottle and now he's drinking it. Michael. Put his pants on backward too.
Michael, what are you doing? You can walk. Hey!
Wow.
He locked himself in. Shoot.
What are you doing, Mila?
You know he could lock himself in for hours.
I love how Rita said she's gonna be like there and back, and she's been gone for like 3 hours.
Where are my keys at?
Downstairs. Do you like brushing your hair? Okay. Michael? Michael? Michael, what are you doing? No? They're by the phone, like, by the cookies.
Hello, this is Elias Porter. Sir, it's your cousin John Smith. Copy that, cousin Smith. Please continue.
The interrogations of the apprehended party from code 182 have led us to the hideout location of the aforementioned apprehended party and another unknown
James.
culprit.
What's up?
Was any evidence obtained?
We found blueprints of the palace, photo of outfitted cater uniforms, and
He's like, hey!
Michael. No.
You have babies,
no,
Mila?
No. Не
Nice.
можна закривати. Іди в куток. Іди в куток.
She doesn't know what that means.
No. Stand here. Stop. What?
Look at his face!
Don't laugh at him.
Okay,
He's in
sir.
trouble. And don't record him. Christina, go away. Because he needs to learn his lesson. and
He
not to
does,
lock the
yeah,
door.
he does.
Go away.
Don't record him. Go away. I want to.
Go over there because Michael's in trouble. Michael's in timeout. Michael. Ти будеш закривати двері? Не можна закривати двері, okay? Michael, look. Here. Okay, he can be in trouble still. Okay, sit down. You can stop.
I'm saying hi.
No.
Yeah, I'm saying hi to the camera. Yeah. Do you want to see yourself, Mila? Look in the mirror. Can you look in the mirror? See right here. Look over here. Look, do you see this? Look over here. Look, watch. Do you see? Do you see now? Ah, hey. Do you see? Now? Do you see now? See? Oh, your face. What's up with Michael?
My dear, would it be Rebecca Blake, Ashley Connor,